Today we're going to learn how to get started on Canva. We highly recommend creating a pro account. You can start a free trial just so that you can get a feel for it. And you can also share this with different team members if a ton of you guys want to have one pro account and have everybody join that account. You can have up to 5 free members of your team, and then you pay $7 a month for any additional member in addition to the 5. And I believe Canva is about $120 a year. You can look into the details of Canva Pro, Canva Team, or you could use the free version. But with a lot of our designs, the Canva Pro feature is definitely recommended because you are going to just have next level design. And at $100 a month or $100 a year for a Canva subscription, you're not paying that much a month to have access to really high-end designs. So highly recommend you sign up with Canva Pro. For the case of today's video, I'm actually going to be signing up for the first time. So let's walk through it together. I'm going to get the Canva free trial to start with, and then we're going to see if the design that I want to open up is going to allow me to utilize some of those Canva free options. And then we'll take a look at some of the Canva pricing for the pro account. So I'm going to do a Gmail account because I'm already logged into the account for a client that I'm looking to create their team Canva account for. So I'm going to put it as info@premierautolounge.com. And I'm going to pause the Loom video for a minute. All right, so we are in. I just got an email verification from Canva and logged into my account using my Gmail. So just make note of that when you're setting up your account if you prefer to just have a password and email with Canva without logging in with Gmail. You can do that. You can also start with a Gmail account and then create a password for your account once you're in there. I can show you guys how to do that if you want to see, but this is like brand new Canva account on the free version. So I'm going to go ahead and exit out of this, but I do recommend you guys take advantage of any free trainings from Canva, and they have a ton of resources within the platform and on YouTube. But this is a edit template from one of our templates. And this is for this client in particular for Premier Auto Lounge. So let's go ahead and use this template for a new design. And this is exactly how you'd be opening up templates within your Canva account. So here it says try Pro for free for 30 days. So here's like all the additional stuff that you guys will get with Pro, which is quite a lot. But I am afraid that this might be showing me some features that are not available in free, maybe because I have a brand new account. So I think that this is going to be available. Let's see when you download in the free account this particular template. So just kind of, if you don't already have a pro account, definitely open up some of the designs that you really want to use, and you'll see what Canva does when it's not available to you with a free account. There's so many features. If I went over all of them with you, it would take forever, but there's a ton of different Canva resources that tell you which features are in the paid subscription versus the free subscription. And disregard all of this if you already have paid. So here you can't download in certain files because of the free version. And I think the biggest thing for this template is the transparency of the logos. I think that is a feature that only certain accounts, like the pro accounts, will be allowed. So let's see. Yeah, and transparent backgrounds and compressed files. Those are all things that are limited, and you'll see the little pro feature icon there. So wanted to show you guys how to start a Canva account, open up one of our templates, and save everything. So you'd be able to come in here and update all of your specific information. Instead of this being a cover photo of the clients, you could update yours, and you can put your own testimonials in here. And then you would just go and download this in the file formats that you need. So this is going to be a video for story. So I'll probably download all pages, and I like to download things as separate files so I can upload it in a clickable way to stories. But you can download things in a single video for sure if you want to save on that pro subscription cost. And it'll still have a similar effect, but I recommend doing all files as a reel and then single files for story slides. So you can go ahead and download this, and it will be available for you to upload and post to social media. Hopefully this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Before I sign off, let's just see what it costs to do Canva Pro. So as I thought, yeah, 120 bucks a month. So about 100 bucks is what you can budget for if you're rounding down, which I like to do, or $15 a month. So not a bad investment for a lot of additional features that you get access to really take your content to the next level. Thank you guys for watching. Reach out if you have any questions.